Hello everyone, dear parents and students. We all know that St. Xavier's English Medium School is conducting the periodic assessment for all the classes. We have just finished for the classes class 1 to 8 and 9 and 10 is going on. So from tomorrow onwards, that is 7th of September 2020, we are going to start further classes LKG and UKG. So in this video, I would like to give a few guidelines how to attend the periodic assessment online. Here I start with the routine that has been provided to all the students through the WhatsApp group or study group. Here the time is mentioned for each class, both LKG and UKG. For LKG student, the test will begin from 8:30 to 9:30. Here it is mentioned 9 a.m. but 30 minutes extra has been added for the LKG students. And for UKG, the test will start from 9 to 9:30 a.m. By 9:45 a.m., the students have to submit their answers or the response after finishing all the questions given in the question set. Along with the routine, syllabus are also provided. Whenever you are preparing for a periodic assessment, you have to refer the syllabus. Here it's for LKG students and here it is for the UKG students along with the subject teachers. Another important thing is that in this group, WhatsApp group, class LKG ABCD study group or the UKG study group, the link will be sent. Like this link will be sent before 5 minutes. Once the link is sent, you have to click on it. Once you click, it will directly lead you to the question paper. Here you can see sometimes when it is coming like this, sign in to continue, then you have to sign in. Use your ID. Then you can access the questions. Yes. Now this is the question pattern that you'll get. Here it is. First you have to fill your email ID. It is very important to give the valid email ID. If your email ID is not valid, then you may not get the result. Like let me do. So I will give mine email ID here class. Suppose I am giving any class ABC. Okay, father's name. You have to give right name. Okay, but I am giving you for samples. Then the question comes like this. Here you can see the voice note also. If you are not understanding the question, you can click here and hear the voice note. Okay. Now, the first question, what comes after F? So, then click the right answer. Okay. Count and write. If you are not able to read, then you can click here. You can hear the voice note. Then you write the correct option. Again, next question, same thing you have to write. Click the correct options for all the questions, and here you have to click the submit button. Once you click, you will get your response has been recorded. Once this message comes to you, that means your response is submitted. Sometimes before this, they will ask for the verification. Verification, they will ask for the picture capture. Some pictures or the images may come, and they may ask like, click the picture having traffic light, having car, etc. You have to read the instruction above the images, and you have to click the verify button and submit it again. Then again you will get like this response. I hope this video will be helpful to you for attending the periodic assessment. So thank you very much and stay safe, and all the best, my dear students. Once again, thank you. Okay, here one more important thing. This is what the picture capture looks like. Sometimes it comes after submitting the response. Okay, when this kind of picture comes, then you should read the instruction given here. Select all the images with bicycles. Sometimes they may ask any other option, so you have to select all the pictures which is having the bicycles. Once you select, then you have to click the verify button and click the submit button. If you are not understanding what they are asking in this picture, then you can skip this. You will get the new capture. Then you can select the images which is required and click the verify button and submit it. Don't mistaken this thinking that it is an ad. It is the picture capture for the verification. Thank you. Another important thing is that you are able to submit the response only once. So let us see here. I have submitted already beforehand. So again, if I want to submit, if I click it again, now you can see that you have already responded. So dear parents and students, you have to submit only once. If you are submitting more than once, then your response will be invalid. No result will be generated for such kind of responses. Thank you.